Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I have a new special guest.
It's Eunice Altea!
Okay, today we were going to play a No Thumbs Challenge. So this is Scotch tape. Okay. Okay, this is first challenge is magtali. First challenge is magtali ng buhok. Okay.
Bilisan niyo, anak. Kaya ko. Lea, natali ko. Natali ko.
Okay, she got 1 point. Second challenge is drink a water.
Diyaw.
Okay. Okay, she got 2 points. And third challenge is eat a candy. So wait, Eunice is busy. May kinakausap pa siya.
Wait lang, mami.
And third
Eating
challenge is eating candy. This is candy and you go eat. Madali lang yan eh.
Mahirap kayo.
Alin nagagamit ko ah.
Ayun. Oh my God.
Okay, this had
3 points.
3 points.
Put them in.
And fourth challenge is write your name in the paper. So this paper is bolted. Dito ko makita. Ganda sulat. Wait, stop. Wait lang, ma. So this is. So she had 4 points. And fifth challenge is tie your shoes. So this is her shoes. And may ribbon pa yun. So hard. So she's got a 5 challenge. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please subscribe Eunice Altea. Bye bye.